Singapore BTS. This is MB Fatima. Call sign Foxtrot Tango 1, 2, 3, 4. Inbound for bird. Number 5. My position is 5 nautical miles southeast of Fairway Buoy. My drop is 10.5 meters. Request traffic information and pilot boarding instructions. Over.
MB Fatima, this is Singapore BTS. You are identified. Traffic is clear in your vicinity. Proceed to pilot boarding ground Alpha. Your assigned pilot will board at 13:30 local time. Maintain listening watch on VHF channel 12. Over.
MB Fatima, this is pilot station. I am approaching your vessel for boarding. Reduce speed to 6 knots and maintain course.
Pilots, MB Fatima. Understood. Reducing speed to 6 knots, maintaining course. Over.
Good day, Captain. I am your pilot. I will take over navigation and guide the vessel to berth number 5. Please confirm your draft, maneuvering characteristics, and tugboat assistance.
Good day, pilot. Our draft is 10.5 meters and we have a good maneuverability. 2 tugs are arranged, one on the port bow and one on the starboard bow. Over.
Understood, then. Steer course to 80 degrees, maintain 6 knots. Over.
Steering, 180 degrees, 6 knots, sir.
Singapore Tug 1 and Tug 2. This is pilot on MB Fatima. Stand by on berthing assistance. Take position on port and starboard low. Over.
Tug 1, standing by on the port bow. Tug 2, stand by on starboard bow.
Reduce speed to dead slow. Ahead. Prepare mooring lines forward and aft.
Dead slow, sir.
Chief engineer, set engine to dead slow ahead. Over.
Engine set to dead slow ahead.
MB Fatima, mooring crew is ready. Receive lines ashore.
Receive bearing line. Standing by to secure mooring lines. Over.
MB Fatima is now all fast at berth number 5. Good job, everyone.
Thank you. Pilot and tug. Secure engine and stand down from maneuvering station. All crew, prepare for unberthing. Mooring station forward, aft, standby.
MB Fatima, confirm departure readiness and request clearance for unberthing. Over.
Singapore BTS. This is MB Fatima. We are ready to depart. Berth number 5. Request clearance to proceed outbound.
MB Fatima, you are cleared for departure. Maintain listening watch on the VHF channel 12. Over.
Good day again, Captain. I will guide the vessel out of the port. Confirm engine readiness and tugboat assistance.
Engine is ready for maneuvering. 2 tugs are standing by for departure assistance. Over.
Tug 1 and Tug 2. Prepare to push vessel off berth.
Tug 1, pushing off port side. Over. Tug 2, pushing off starboard side. Over.
All mooring lines is clear. Vessel is free to maneuver. Over.
Slow ahead. Steer course 120 degrees over.
Helm, steer at 120 degrees low ahead.
Steering, 120 degrees. Slow ahead.
MV Fatima is clear of berth. Tags you are released. Thank you. Over.
Understood. Safe voyage, MV Fatima. Over.
Understood. Safe voyage, MV Fatima. Over.
Singapore BTS, MV Fatima is outbound and clear of the port. Request to change to open sea frequency.
MV Fatima, roger. You may switch to open sea frequency. Safe journey. Over.
Captain, pilotage service is completed. I will disembark at pilot boarding ground Alpha. Reduce speed to 6 knots and prepare the pilot ladder. Over.
Understood. Helms, reduce speed to 6 knots.
Speed reduced to 6 knots, sir.
Safe voyage. MV Fatima, pilot station out.
Thank you, pilot. MV Fatima proceeding to open sea out. Over.